If you are searching for a versatile, family-sized air fryer that eliminates back-to-back cooking delays by preparing 2 different foods at 2 different temperatures simultaneously, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone Air Fryer is likely at the top of your list. Dual basket air fryers have completely transformed home meal prep, but understanding how its smart finish and match cook technology functions in daily practice helps determine whether it fits your kitchen counter. Quick disclosure, the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The primary highlight of the Ninja DZ201 is its true 8-quart dual-zone architecture. Split into 2 independent 4-quart non-stick baskets, this setup lets you air fry crisp chicken wings on one side at 400 degrees while roasting delicate veggies or baking sides on the other side at 350 degrees without any flavor transfer or heat bleed between zones. What makes this dual-zone system truly intelligent are the Smart Finish and Match Cook features. With Smart Finish enabled, you can program different cook times, temperatures, and function modes for each basket, and the machine automatically synchronizes the cooking cycles so both separate dishes finish at the exact same time. If you are preparing a large batch of a single food, the Match Cook button instantly copies your settings across both zones with one touch. Versatility extends beyond basic air frying thanks to its 6 built-in cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Each independent basket includes a non-stick crisper plate, allowing you to quickly crisp up frozen snacks, gently dehydrate fruits, or quickly reheat leftovers with much better texture than a microwave. Daily maintenance and cleanup are quick and straightforward. Both 4-quart baskets and their removable crisper plates feature a durable non-stick coating that is dishwasher-safe, making post-dinner cleanup effortless. When evaluating who the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone is best suited for, it stands out as an outstanding upgrade for families, busy parents, meal preppers, and multi-person households who want to serve complete, hot meals without waiting on a second batch. On the other hand, if you have limited counter space or typically cook small single-serving meals, a compact single-basket air fryer might be a better space-saving option. Before making your final choice, consider whether cooking 2 foods simultaneously at separate temperatures solves your weekly mealtime bottlenecks to confirm whether this 8-quart dual-zone model matches your kitchen routine. If this looks like the right cooking appliance for your home, you can check current pricing and availability through the product link in the description. If this video helped clarify the features of the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 2 Basket Air Fryer, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point product breakdowns. If you have any questions or recipes you love making in a dual basket air fryer, drop them in the comments below.